How to draw the Indiana University logo. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw the Indiana University logo. I'm so excited to draw this with you. We will begin by drawing a straight line on the left side of our page. Great job! Then, a little bit to the right, we are going to draw another straight line going up and down. Awesome! For the next step of drawing the Indiana University logo, we are going to draw a rectangular shape on top of these two lines connecting them together, but we are going to leave the middle space blank. So to do this, we are going to start by drawing two small straight lines going outwards from either side of those lines. Then we are going to draw a small straight line going upwards from both lines. Then we are going to draw a straight horizontal line connecting those two at the top. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to draw another small horizontal line that is going to go right here. Then from the right side of that line, we are going to draw a long straight line going upwards. Nice job! Now we are going to draw another straight line the same height as that one a little bit to the right. We are going to try to make the width between these two lines similar to the width between the two lines that we drew earlier for the left side of our Indiana University logo. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are coming along awesome! Now we are going to draw a rectangular shape connecting the top of these two lines similar to how we did for the left side of our logo. So to begin, we are going to draw two small lines going outwards from either side of the lines we just drew, and then we will draw two straight lines, one going upwards from either side of those lines. And then we are going to draw a straight line connecting those two together. Awesome job! Next, we are going to draw the right side of our Indiana University logo. This is going to look exactly the same as the left side that we drew. We will start by drawing a small line right here. Then we are going to draw a straight line going upwards. This will begin us replicating what we did on the left side right here. Nice job! Then we will leave a little bit of a space and draw another straight line going up and down a little bit to the right. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now the next step will be to draw the rectangular shape above these two lines, connecting them together just like we did above the other two sets of straight lines. So we will draw the two straight lines going outwards, and then the two straight lines going upwards from those, and then a horizontal line connecting the two lines at the top. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings of the Indiana University logo are coming along great. Next, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards and to the right from the line on the left side of our page right here. Then we are going to draw a small horizontal line going to the right that has a similar length as the one above it. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings of the Indiana University logo are coming along awesome. Next, we are going to draw a diagonal line going downwards to the left from the line on the right side of our page, similar to how we did on the left side. Then we are going to draw a straight horizontal line going to the left, similar to how we did on the left side of our logo. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! We are almost finished drawing our Indiana University logos. Next, we are going to draw a small straight line going downwards from both of those straight lines that we just drew. Then we are going to connect these two lines at the bottom by drawing a rectangular shape similar to how we did above 3 times earlier. So we will draw the 2 straight lines going outwards from either side, and then a small straight line going downwards from both of those. And then after that, we will connect the 2 lines at the bottom with a horizontal line. This is how to draw the Indiana University logo. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new drawing tutorial video. And comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Also, don't forget, stick around until the very end of this video to see our drawing all colored in. If you want to learn how to draw more logos in specific, then check out our logo drawing lessons playlist or our how to draw the NFL team logos playlist so that you can draw more logos with us. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. See you again next time.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.